Hello, I'm FlyLady Kat, and I'm here with a special gift for you, and that is a free Patreon video. This Patreon video is one of hundreds and hundreds that I have on my Patreon channel, A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com. And on this video, you will see that we're talking more about how we think and implement the FlyLady system into your life rather than the specifics about the FlyLady system. So I call it a mini mentoring session, and it is $5 a month if you decide that you want to enroll at Patreon and become one of my patrons. $5 a month gives you 5 videos a week, week after week, month after month. If that's something that you love, please come over and enjoy these and be part of our special group. There are no advertisements on Patreon, so you'll be able to enjoy it end to end without interruption. If you feel that you'd like to have a little bit more mentoring, maybe some personal accountability or some help, you can get one personal mentoring session a month with me for $25. That is my tier 2. That's going to give you the 25-minute mentoring session and the videos all inclusive for $25 a month. If you need more help, you can get 2 mentoring sessions a month plus the videos for $50 a month. And if you want to go all the way and really help yourself establish some great habits and get into the flow of the FlyLady system, then I recommend that you go for 4 mentorings a month, which is $100 a month, including the free videos. These are all great systems for you. If you can't join Patreon, that's fine. Do your best on the FlyLady system here on this channel. I'm sure you can, but if you do need some help, please come over and see how you like it. That's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. Today's video is how to stay focused in chaos. You know what chaos is. It's when everything is just tumbling down around you. Let's say that it's a huge mess and you've got lots of clutter in your house and it's really hard for you to focus. I'd say that was the biggest problem, is there's so much clutter that it's creating chaos in your head and you can't focus to get any of it done. So that's one type of chaos. Another type of chaos is things are different. Things are different. It's a pandemic and your husband's home. Oh my gosh, that's different. The kids are home. Oh my gosh, that's different. That creates chaos in our head. There's a change, a little change. Somebody breaks their arm, or the neighbor needs you to run go get some medicine for them, or whatever that changes your plans. That can create chaos in your head. Okay, first of all, let's recognize the one single thing that stays the same here. It's in your head. Chaos is in your head. Yes. So what I want you to have is the peace that surpasses understanding, which is promised from Christ. I will give you the peace that surpasses understanding. In other words, it shouldn't make sense to the average person that you would be peaceful during this time, but that's the number one step in getting a handle on this. So take a deep breath. Look at something around you that's beautiful that maybe God made for you to see. And then go forward one step at a time, following your plan. Will the chaos go away? Maybe not. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in 3 months, but eventually it will. And every day it will be better. Every day it will get better. And you will also get better, and your mental status will get better. You'll be able to handle issues better, and it won't create chaos in there. Chaos is believing that there's no solution. That's chaos. It's just kind of believing there's no solution to this. There's no solution. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I'm going to go crazy. I need Samantha. I need it all fixed now. Okay, so that's what chaos is. How do you stay focused in it? Okay, so I've told you to ask for peace. Ask for peace that's promised to you. Ask for it. And then take a breath, act on that peace. Take a breath, look around, find something beautiful, something to be grateful about. Then take your planner and turn to today, because you've planned. Oh, you haven't planned? Well, that's probably why you feel chaotic. Take your planner and plan the rest of the week out. Stop what you're doing right now. I don't care that you haven't done your housekeeping. It's okay, because more important than that is to have a plan in your planner. So once you've got your plan, and I've got a video on that, how to plan in your planner. In this, on Patreon, plan your week out. Stop right now, plan your week out. And then when you pick up your planner and you flip to today's date, you see what you have to do in that morning block, and that's all you have to do. Anything else that's screaming at you, trying to create chaos and havoc in your head, you look at it and you say, I see you and I've got a plan for you. And you have to mean that. You have to be a force within yourself, because all this is just within yourself. I see you and have a plan for you. And you know what? I can't even do it this week because it's not in this room this week. It's not on my plan this week. But let me go to next month. Next month in July, on this week, which happens to be the second week of the month. Okay? I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to write it in there that I'm going to do that week. Close the book. I've got a plan for you. That's a lot of weapon for you, okay? To say, I see you and I've got a plan for you. The best weapon, though, is the peace. The second best weapon is your plan. And it's all part of a picture. It all goes together. So have a picture of what it's going to look like, your magic house. Remember my magic house series? That's coming up tomorrow again. When you have that picture in your mind of what it can look like, you've got the peace that surpasses understanding. You've got a plan to take care of it today. You have an action for saying to those things that are bugging you and creating chaos in your mind, I see you and I have a plan for you. That's how you stay focused. Now, here's another thing that drives people crazy, and that's kids running through or husbands hanging around. It just bugs you. But you have to do your work anyway. Be an example of what a woman at home is really like. Do your work. It's not hard. You're not going to be sweating or embarrassing yourself in any way. You're just going to be doing your work. You're not asking them to do the work. You're doing the work. It's your work. You're making your bed. You're wiping your sink out and swishing your toilet. You're making breakfast and cleaning up after breakfast and asking for help and delegating. You're getting the laundry done. You're working in a particular room this week. Other people will try to say, oh no, that's not how you do it. What's wrong with you? Why don't you just get it done? Why do you have to look at a plan? That's a born organized person usually saying that to you. They don't get it, but it's okay because I get it. And there are hundreds of thousands of people just like you that get it. So don't worry about those people. They need to tend to their own knitting, as they say. You are in charge of this house, not your husband, not your neighbor, not your mother, and they'll all try to help. But you do it this way. This is the way that's going to work for you. And this is going to give you peace. And this is going to take away that chaotic feel inside of you because you're trying to do it everybody else's way. Do it your way, this way, the way that's built for you, a person who has a little ADD maybe. Okay, so that's how you stay focused in chaos. Realizing, number one, that chaos is all up here. Yeah, it may look pretty messy in your house, but that's just messy. That's just cluttered. That's not chaos. Okay. And realizing that change is not chaos. It's just change. And realizing that people in your home are not chaos. That's just people in your home. Just have to realize that things are what they are and they're not chaos, because chaos makes us feel helpless. All right. I hope this is good for you today. I hope you go out and conquer your own personal chaos. And I want you to always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.